Good Sunday noon mga kachibugan. I'm here again. This time, I'm having lunch of bulalo with bone marrow soup. May mais, may bone marrow, gulay, and of course, patis with sili and pampalamig. Kaya mga katibugan, let's eat! Happy Sunday lunch! Soup. Good. Of course, soup sa kanin, konting patis. Kaya mga katibugan, let's eat! What's bulalo soup without patis? Very malambot. Kain na po. Until next time. Bye.